Get Featured is a visibility tool that places a provider's profile in a dedicated Featured Providers section at the top of Marketplace search results. When this feature is active, the profile bypasses standard ranking factors such as ratings or booking volume and is prioritized above all regular listings. Just note that Get Featured is a premium tool. If you're on a free plan, you'll need to upgrade your provider account to access it. So here's how you can launch a Get Featured campaign. Start by logging in to your provider account. Once you're in, head over to your dashboard. From there, go to Your Business, then Growth Tools, and click on Get Featured. You'll see a Get Featured Now button. Click it. Next, choose how many days you'd like your profile to be featured. When you're ready, click Make Payment to complete the transaction. As soon as your payment is confirmed, your campaign will start right away. Just note that only one campaign can run at a time, so you'll need to wait for your current campaign to end before starting a new one. Here, you can keep track of your current and past campaigns. If you want to see how your campaign is performing, click on the View Campaign Analytics button. Alternatively, you can go to Analytics and click on Featured Stats to view your results there as well.